Hello friends, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Today I am starting intermediate second year 2B subject. Chapter 1 is circles. LQ question number is 3. Now let's see the question number 3. This question also very important for final exam students. And question number 3 is find equation of circle whose center lies on x-axis and passing through 2 points. Yeah, this question is find equation of circle. First we have to find the equation of circle with help of center lies on x. Condition is the center lies on x-axis and passing through 2 points. 2 points, the circle center is lies on x-axis. This is the condition. By using this condition, we have to find the equation of circle. Okay, let's see the solution. Let the circle equation is the general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of circle, students. Next year, but here condition is center lies on x-axis, students. Lies on x-axis. Yeah. The center lies on x-axis and y-axis. This topic I will explain briefly, students. Yeah, simple, students. Here in 10th class you studied coordinate geometry. Example, this is x-axis, y-axis, student. Horizontal line is known as x-axis. Vertical line is known as y-axis. Example, this take my marker. A marker lies on x-axis. A marker lies in place of marker you can take any point. A point lies on x-axis. A point lies on x-axis means y point is 0. Why? Because my marker is I am putting my hand on x-axis only. Therefore y-axis is 0. If example a point lies on y-axis, x point is 0. Clear, student? This type of problems you studied in 10th class. Again I repeated. Right. Here condition is but center lies on x-axis. But center lies on x-axis means y point is 0. Here y point means f is equal to 0. This is the condition, student. Remember this condition. Without knowing this condition, you can't continue this problem, students. And important condition this one is. Now substitute f value in equation number. General equation is 1. Now equation 1 becomes x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy. In place of f is substitute 0, you will get final answer 0. This condition is 0. Now if f term is total 0. Now let's see is equal to 0. Now this is equation number 1. Okay. Now substitute 2 points. Say 2 points are there in question. One point is minus 2 comma 3. One more point is 4 comma 5. These 2 points substitute in equation number 1. You will get a remaining 2 equations. Okay na? If you solve the 2 equations, you will get any one unknown value, that is g or f. Any one value you will get. After getting a g or f value, you can find easily c value. After that, you can find easily equation of circle. Okay na? First substitute the points in general equation. First now, yeah, I am reducing this question, student. Okay. First here I am writing general equation, student. X square plus y square plus 2gx 2fy condition is 0. Why? Because here f value is equal to 0. Therefore the condition is 0 plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Okay, student. Now 2 points are there. First point I am substituting. My first point is now. What is the first point? Minus 2 comma 3. Now minus 2 comma 3 passes through equation number 1. Okay. Now x value is here minus 2 and y value is 3. In place of x and y, substitute the values. First here x square is nothing but minus 2 square plus side as it is. Here y square means 3 square plus 2 write as it is, here g write as it is, again x value. What is x value? Minus 2 plus c value we don't know, write c as it is. Okay, now simplify. Minus 2 whole square, students, minus 2 whole square is nothing but minus 2 times multiplication, minus into minus first step, plus 2 square, 2 into 2 4 plus here 3 square is nothing but, students, 3 3s are 9. Now plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4g plus c is equal to 0. Now minus 4g, first write g term, next add these two numbers, 9 plus 4 13 plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 1, students. I substituted first pointer in equation number 1, I got a equation number 1. Okay na? Again substitute one more point is there, you will get one more equation, student. Okay, let's see that equation. Second point is 4 comma 5. Okay, here 4 square, next 5 square. Okay, now 4 square means 16, students. 16 plus 5 square means 25 plus 2 4s are 8g plus c is equal to 0. First write g term 8g, next 25 plus 16, 25 plus 10 35, 35 plus 6 41 plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Here I substituted 2 points in general equation, I got a 2 equations, students. Now simplify these 2 equations, solve these 2 equations, you will get a g comma f and c values. Okay na? Now solve equation number 1 and 2. Okay, solve equation number 1 and 2. Now what is equation number 1? Equation number 1 is minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. Now what is equation number 2? 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. Okay, no, minus changes to plus. No, minus 8g minus 4g minus 12g. Now plus c minus c get cancelled is equal to plus 41 minus 13. 41 minus 13, answer is 28, students. Now g is equal to 28 divided by minus 12. Now cancel with the 4 table. 4 7s are 28, 4 3s are 12. Now g value is equal to minus 7 by 3. Here I got a g value, that is minus 7 by 3. Now substitute g value in equation number 1 and 2, you will get a c value. Why? Because already we know f value. F value is 0. No need to find again f value here. G value I got a, now substitute g value equation number 1 and 2, you will get a c value. Okay na? Now substitute g value. Substitute g value equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? Minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. Okay, now minus 4, what is the g value? Just now we got g value is minus 7 by 3 plus c is equal to minus 13. Now here denominator nothing is, that means take 1. Now minus into minus plus 4 7s are 28 divided by 3 1s are 3 plus c is equal to minus 13. Now c is equal to minus 13. Now this plus 28 by 3 transfer to RHS plus changes to minus 28 by 3. In denominator nothing is, that means 1. Cross multiplication, c is equal to 13 3s are minus 39, 28 1s are 28 by 1 3s are 3. Now both are having minus, minus into minus plus 39 plus 28 67, 67 by 3. Okay, this is the c value, students. Substitute c value in equation g and f and C values in general equation, you will get a equation of circle. Okay. Therefore, C value is equal to minus 67 by 3. Okay. C value is equal to minus 67 by 3. Now substitute C value and G value in equation, general equation, you will get the equation of circle. Okay, na? Right. Now substitute G comma C values in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0. X square rate as it is plus y square rate as it is. 2. What is the g value, students? G value I got a minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3. X plus c value is minus 67 by 3. Is equal to 0. Now take here LCM, you will get final answer as 3x square 3 into x square plus y square. Here 2 sevens are minus 14x minus 67 is equal to 0. Here this is the general equation, students. Take LCM, you will get a final answer. X square 3x square plus 3y square, take 3 common. Here already have taken 3 common. 3 into x square plus y square minus 2 plus into minus minus 2 sevens are 14x plus into minus minus 67 is equal to 0. Last division by 3 LCM, that symbol shift to RHS 0 into 3 0. Okay na? This is the equation of circle, students. Okay na? Right. Yeah. That's all for today's class. Remaining electives we will see in next class with another problem. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel, like it, share to your friends. Thank you so much. Me Vamshi Kumar.